everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on dealing with a through intersection. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of how to react, respond, and deal with a through intersection. Now, before I begin, a through intersection is basically an intersection where you are not required to stop, okay? So you might have to stop for a reason, but you are not required to stop. There is no stop sign in your direction. So I'm going to explain what to do in a few simple steps, and then I'm going to demonstrate myself dealing with this through intersection a couple of times in front of me. First and foremost, you want to do a traffic check as you approach the intersection. So you can basically see if a car or pedestrian on the opposite sides, on the opposing sides or the perpendicular sides, the sides that have the stop sign, hopefully, that they're hopefully stopping. If they're stopping or if they're already stopped, then you know you can probably proceed safely. But if they don't look like they're going to stop, let's say they look like they're going to just keep going past their stop sign, then you have to be ready to respond. So you want to do a traffic check as you approach the intersection. The second thing is maintain your speed unless you need to slow down. If you're just driving and the traffic is stopped in both directions beside you and you don't have a stop sign, then you can maintain your speed. However, if the car looks like it's going to run the stop sign, then you're going to have to obviously slow down, okay? The next thing is maintain the proper following distance from the car in front of you. And I always use the rule of about a 3-second following distance if the weather conditions are ideal. If it's rainy or snowing, you want to increase that number. If it's foggy, increase that number, blah, blah, blah. But you want to maintain your following distance. Don't get too close to the car in front of you because you need that safety space around your car just in case you need to use it to swerve or slam on your brakes, or in case they have to slam on the brakes in front of you. Next thing is get both hands on the wheel, get a firm but flexible grip of that wheel. You want to be ready to react and respond accordingly, and then maintain your position in the lane. Don't go to the left, to the right. Don't start cruising side to side. You want to sort of remain centered in your lane. So as we proceed over here to the through intersection, I'm going to demonstrate what I just explained. Make sure there's nobody there. We're good to go. Let's rock and roll. There's actually some pedestrians well up ahead, so I'm just going to slow down as I approach the intersection. They're way far ahead, but I don't want to have to slow down for them. They're jaywalking across the street, but I don't want to have to slow down for them unnecessarily right now. So now that they've crossed the street, we're going to accelerate to like a regular speed. Now in this intersection, it's actually like a T intersection, okay? So basically I only have a part to the left. So I'm looking to the left right now, doing a traffic check basically. And as I'm driving like this, I'm maintaining my position just like that in the lane, maintaining my speed. There was actually no cars over there, so I was easily able to cruise through that through intersection. But like I said, I saw those pedestrians, and if they had crossed in front of my car, I would have had to react by slamming my brakes. I know they should have waited because they have a stop sign and I don't, but that's not always going to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn around right now, and then I'm actually going to do the same thing again. Now, in addition, you might have other cars that are coming in the opposite direction of you that are waiting to turn in that intersection. You have to be ready to respond to anything. So now, once again, I'm driving in the opposite direction, and I'm approaching the through intersection. I'm going to get a little bit more speed than I had last time. This is a more realistic speed that I would be driving there. I'm looking right at the intersection, doing my traffic check. Basically, I'm holding my position like this, and I continuously check that intersection. I'm not looking once and looking away. I'm looking again and again because there were no cars there. I could move my eyes away, and then boom, a car could just fly through, and that would be very, very dangerous. And I wouldn't want to be in that position or put anyone else in that position either. So I continue to check. Now, if you see a car that looks like they're not going to stop, what you want to do is change from your foot on the gas to hovering over the brake. This way, if you need to, you can slam on the brake and just boom, hopefully come to a safe stop before an accident occurs. And that's basically it. That is my driving lesson on dealing with a through intersection. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.